handheld drone detection and positioning device realizes the drone detection, identification, early warning, positioning and trajectory tracking (FRC) remote controller, and it is suitable for individual patrol protection. Work-alone design without manual assembly, and it can be deployed quickly. When using, user needs to screw the antenna to the interface of the main box in the clockwise direction. The device is powered by a built-in lithium battery with a duration up to 4 hours. Meanwhile, the device supports AC power or UPS. 4G or wireless network connection is available. The software interface is mainly divided into the upper functional menu and the lower information display area. The upper functional menu mainly includes trajectory display, volume setting statistics view, equipment management system settings, and others. The lower information display area is mainly used for displaying and controlling the real-time information of the drone, whose features focus on displaying the number of drones currently detected and historically detected, as well as more details. The system will generate and automatically alarm when drones are being detected. The main interface displays information such as the number of drones, model, frequency, direction, altitude, serial number detected by the system aligns with the drone's identification. Meanwhile, the device can carry out real-time positioning and trajectory tracking of the UAV and RC remote controller. Click the Statistics button to check the drone incident statistics report, including the number of drone sightings, models, intrusion time, drone incident trends, and others. Meanwhile, it supports for statistics and viewing of the detected Wi-Fi signals. Through clicking the Device Management button, user can instantly check and monitor the status. Click the Setting button. User can view the software version, offline map, and others.